Hi. Clutch. Day 2. Alright folks, so what I'm doing is, as long as I have the Bellhousing jacked up, I'm trying to get everything that I can get removed before I loosen these two headers up on the top, or remove them off the block and let them dangle here, so I can get it at that bolt up there. That's a culprit. And is there another one here? I don't think so. So this one, and then that bolt up there, and then if everything goes right, I should be able to pull the bell housing out a little bit, turn it, get these things both bent out of the way, and slide it out, and then I'll be able to access the clutch. So one of the things I'm going to try to do is get this starter removed. The bottom bolt here obviously usually isn't too tough. It's that top one, and then I cobbed together a wrench that we can try to make work. You notice that I removed the bell housing bolts on the top first while the engine was blocked up. And that's for a very good reason, because once you let it back down in order to get this stuff out, you can't get at them. And even if you can get at them, there's not enough clearance to pull the bolts out. Okay. Starter's out of there. And then to get that top one, that's my wrench combination. 1/2-inch drive. The extension that's because the only really long one I have. I mean, you could have been this long. And 1/2-inch universal to a 1/2-inch 3/8 reducer, little short extension, 3/8 universal, and 9.5-inch deep socket. And that's how I got that. There we go. Okay. Hi, it's me. Some of you know me as Enzio, and others know me as Tom. Either name works. So if you like this video, the disassembly and reassembly of my car to install a clutch, take the time to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. Ooh, that's it right there. Holy shit. Okay. Okay. Ugh. Almost. One of these headers has got to move a little bit. Okay, there it is. Ugh. Holy crap.